If you're ever driving through Attica, make sure you honk.
I just love when people honk.
That's Andrew Bennett.
It really makes me feel happy.
Andrew has autism and he has epilepsy.
That's his grandmother.
Doctors told us if he ever had a seizure, he could not make it through it. There's a chance he could die.
And this is Andrew's sign.
Just want to support my team to be good, really good.
When he made up the first sign, I told him, I says, well, go out in the street and I said, see what you get.
This is actually his second sign. This is his first sign. He got a little help from someone driving by.
She says, I'm going down to Dollar General and I'm going to get you all the supplies. He can make a new sign.
The 16-year-old has never been to a Bills game. He hopes that changes this year.
This season will be really good this year.
And while he loves when cars honk, he says if he ever did go to a Bills game, he would really love to meet his favorite players.
Josh Allen and Stephon Diggs.
His grandmother says he may get lucky enough to go to a game this year, but until the season starts, Andrew will be in front of his house with his sign, doing what he loves.
Yeah, I just love this.
In Attica, Jeff Rusak,
Go Bills.
7 Eyewitness News.